Hi everybody, my name is Brendan Guire and today we are on the water in this brand new 2026 280 SLX by Sea Ray boats. As you can see back here, we have the twin 300s. That's going to be JPO motors, so we have the Joystick Piloting outboards for the control with Skyhook. We have a ton of storage back here. This is such a great sandbar boat. We have the sea deck throughout the whole entire boat and the cockpit as well as on the transom. Two teak tables, so we have a table here that's in the cockpit as well as we'll have one up in the bow that you can use also as a filler cushion, so that area just turns into a large sun pad. Up here we have the tower, the power tower that comes down, and this is an actuated tower, so it lays down just like this right over top of the windshield. Get under bridges and then easily just push it right back up and it's up. We also have this area here which kicks out. We have more shade off of the back area on that sun pad. Moving into the cockpit, lots of storage everywhere. Underneath this storage goes deep down back here. More storage that is under here where your batteries are and bilge. Very clean down there. We do have a shore power plug, so that just plug it in with the extension cord. An area for cooler as well as an insulated area here. A refrigerator, so that opens up. We have a nice cold fridge there. Captain's seat has a bolster. These both turn, so you can face everybody and entertaining in the cockpit. Let me show you here in the head. You have the head there that's vacuum flush as well as a sink and fresh water. Moving up to the bow, we do have this windscreen that closes off here, just like that, and then goes right back into place, and then we can close this off. Lots of storage up in the bow up here. One thing I do want to mention other than the cup holders is you have induction phone charging all over the place. Cup holders, 2 here and 2 that are in the gunnels. We have a windlass anchor up here and a freshwater spray down, so you can spray down your windlass and it's coming in. Moving to the helm, a nice seat here for 2 people to sit next to each other. Like I was saying before, the Joystick Piloting outboards, so you have the Skyhook autopilot and auto heading. Our twin 12-inch Simrad screens here, Fusion with AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, tilt steering. We have our dynamic running surface Sea Rays, Lenco trim tabs. This is the 280 SLX. My name is Brendan Guire, MarineMax Clearwater. Come see us here.